Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about using a capo, which I promised in one of my earlier videos. The amazing thing about this little tool right here, which is called a capo, C-A-P-O, C-A-P-O, is that it can change the tuning of your instrument without you having to use any new chords. So let's say, for example, you know a song on your ukulele like maybe Happy Birthday, and you notice that your kids are struggling to sing it in the key of C, which is very low for kids because it goes down to a low G. What you can do is you can take your capo and you can put your capo on your instrument in a new spot. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my capo, this is my baritone ukulele, and I am completely covering one of the golden metal strips, which is called a fret, with that capo. And when I do, I want to make sure I really open it wide so that I don't change this distance between my strings. If I just ram it on there, all my strings are going to get smooshed up together. Then when I play all of my chords, it's just as if this black capo is the new nut. So the purple chord becomes this chord. The blue chord becomes here. I'm making the same shape with my hand, just in a different spot. Here comes our green chord, which is G, but now it's going to be the chord A, and then I'm going to go back to C. And again, my fingers keep doing the same shape, they just do that shape in a new place. So now let's say, for example, I really need to dramatically change the key. So I'm just going to slide my capo up to a new fret. And now I'm going to be in a completely different key. Instead of in the key of G, where my ukulele normally is, I'm now in the key of C major. So now this will give me a C chord, just like on my soprano ukulele. And this becomes the F chord. And this becomes the G chord. And now we're back to C. So a capo really can expand the possibilities for your instrument. So whenever you're playing a song that feels like it's a little bit too low, give a capo a try, C-A-P-O. Last thing I'm going to do before I let you go is I'm going to show you how that changes, and yes, I'm in my jammies, show you how that changes my soprano ukulele from playing very easily in the key of C into now playing in the key of D. So this is without the capo. Happy birthday to you. Let me start that again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear somebody, maybe you, I don't know. Happy birthday to you. Now that seemed pretty low for kids, so I'm going to take my capo and I'm going to move it up 2 spots. I'm going to the second gold line, and I'm putting this across in that spot, and now I'm going to put my finger right here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to... Let me start that again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear somebody, maybe you, I'm not sure. Happy birthday to you. And it just makes it a little bit higher and a little bit easier for kids to sing along with you. So get yourself a capo for just a couple of bucks, and it'll really expand the capabilities of your instrument. Bye.